What's good, YouTube? What is good, YouTube? We got what do we got? We got this one. Alright, what's good, YouTube? We got about 3 minutes till market open. I got the charts marked up. This is the progress on the account so far. It says 4 losing trades, but it's really 2 losing trades and 2 break even. As you can see, 1 break even right here, 1 break even right here. Now, sometimes with break even trades, you'll still lose a little bit of money, but it won't be the amount you initially were trying to lose. So I had the support marked up on NASDAQ and US 30. They're both kind of trying to break out a little bit. I'm gonna push this a little lower here on US 30. Let me see. Yeah, that's actually better right there. Sorry, I'm trying to be quiet because everybody's asleep. But we had a little breakout on both of them. But now they're both starting to push back up. Early morning fake out usually always happens with these ones. But yeah, this is what we got marked up, the levels. Just trying to make sure these levels are correct though. So we do have a better support like right here, I would say. So try to mark both of these up. To be a little extra careful with NASDAQ. It's not the best, to be honest. US 30 is looking a little bit more clean today, but NASDAQ's been falling the fastest in my opinion. So I don't want both of these to confuse me, but we do got a little support in both those areas. And here's US 30 right here. I'm gonna try to go live on TikTok real quick. Yesterday I was live on TikTok and I got banned for driving. But yeah, this is the balance on the account right here, 49. Oh, you guys can't see it. Here, I'll move myself out the way. That's the balance right there, 49,380.76. We cannot let the balance reach 48,000. But so far we're good. We're good on that. So you will let me go live today. I can't go live till 1 o'clock. Okay, well, whatever. Also trying to trade gold on my regular account. Yesterday I made 150 on gold on my regular account, but it's whatever. Trying to get this other laptop to charge. So dead. I think market's open. Okay, market just opened 10 seconds ago. Let's see what we can do here. Now, we also got a lot of support and resistance over here to the upside, but the reason why I'm not taking any upside potential trades is because this volume weighted price line right here, that's what it's called, the VWAP, is actually like the volume weighted average price. And usually if price is below it, then that means price is, more likely to sell off. If it's above it, then it's more likely to buy. So the only way I would take it is if we broke out of this very top line on both of these, this very top red line, and continued to push, because then we'd be above the volume weighted average price. But I'm not going to take that right now. I'll go ahead and see the daily overall. Yeah, see? We're red for the daily candle on US 30 still. So this could just be like a little liquidity grab, meaning they're just, trying to stop people out, get people out of their positions, grab that liquidity so they can head back down stronger. So we're gonna see what happens. If we push above the VWAP, then I might just take a buy, a quick little scalp. But it would be like an opposite trend trade. So it's not something I'm really looking forward to, but if it does present itself, then hey, might take it. I'm gonna start setting my take profit at 125 here for buys and sells. And we're pushing up strong and fast. I mean, that's what I like to see. Okay, got that situated. 150. Is it 150? 25? Oh yeah, it would be 150. What am I talking about? Okay. $150. Reason why I'm doing this is because if we take a position, I don't want it to go past 150 ticks because that'll be $1,500 and that'll just ruin our consistency rule. So we can only make more. We can't make any more than 1,500 in a day. Which with these pairs, these indices can have, you can get 150 ticks in like 5 seconds if it really wants to. I feel like what potentially could happen is we could come touch these red lines right here. You'll see a big retracement and then it'll start going back down to the downside. This is a pretty big red daily candle, but this daily candle does have some rejection as well, so it could also play out either way. We'll see. Cool thing is we did open back up at some support too. So we kind of opened up close to these lines, which are support lines I had drawn up. So if we were to continue to the upside, we'd sell off, come back down, reject off this, and then push back up again. We'll see though. See, exactly what I said. Starting to get some selling pressure. I want to see gold real quick. Oh, gold's already breaking out and I needed to take that trade. Might have to just trade golds on my phone because this other laptop's taking forever. Oh shit. So I do trade gold on my regular account. Oh, here we go. Let's see. I don't want to miss all these though. I'll log in on here. Oh, session disconnected. Oh, it logged us out of our account. Oh no, we're still good. We're still good. That was weird. Hopefully I'm not messing myself up here today by doing this. So gold started rejecting. Oh my god. Yeah, it doesn't let me trade on both, so stupid. Just gonna have to ignore that real quick. Make sure everything's still set up. And I have to just do it on my phone. I have to remark up these lines. Upgrade my plan or something. Need to look at gold for 1 second. 3310.1 and 3303.1. Might take a nice little sell on gold here. Or a buy. I'm trying to watch it though. Nasdaq is still trying to push up. I'll just leave this right here. See what happens. Kind of a slow day today. We had that little spike of volume at first and then kind of gone. Most we could have done is like a buy right here, but it wouldn't have been the best, so I didn't take it. Could potentially take a buy on NASDAQ. Don't want to get faked out at this resistance, but never know. US 30 is looking like it wants to do something completely different. Dude, my phone keeps timing out. I don't even understand why. Problem with selling NASDAQ, like I said earlier, is we were coming up. There's like 2 resistance points on NASDAQ. Almost the same thing with US 30. So there's not a really good profit target. But we gotta take what we gotta take here. We are rejecting on the VWAP. So it's giving me some good confirmation we could take a buy on NAS. God, man, all these ads. Do you want to watch the 1 minute here on NASDAQ? Here's a little wiki. This is the problem. If this thing rockets off, I don't want to miss out, but I also don't want to get caught if it retraces back right after this 1 minute closes. This 1 minute candle flips green, I will just take it and say fuck it. Kind of messed the best entry here. Go back to the 5. See, there you go. You're getting that little retracement. Trying to watch 3 different charts here and my phone keeps timing out. It's the thing you just gotta realize. Now we gotta wait for this one to close. So we did get a nice little breakout. We should have taken it. Fuck it. We're kind of in a little late. I think we're gonna lose. Not the best trade here. I'll go ahead and protect my capital already just because NASDAQ is super wicky. Might close at a 1 to 3. We can get that. Or at a 1 to 1. Not the best entry, that's why I was like, fuck it. Can we get that 1 to 3 today? This thing is just waking. Stopped at break even. Damn it. Alright, we lost 38 bucks. Another break even trade. It's whatever. See what we can do here. Honestly, we should have just taken it on the break. We would have got our potential profit. Kind of missed the gun, but it went too fast, bro. It broke out like nothing. Like literally nothing. Gold, man. I don't know what gold wants to do. Yeah, we would have got stopped out. So it's a good thing we didn't. Take a look at gold real quick. That would have been a good continuation candle to take. Can't tell. Looks like gold's crossing one of these rays. Alright, I'm gonna take a sell on gold on my regular account here. NASDAQ's just looking so ugly. we're just gonna see if gold plays out or not. You guys can't see it because it's a different account. I'm trying to trade 2 accounts today. Slow ass day, man. Slow ass disgusting day. Got stopped out. So pretty much I'll show you guys what we took on gold. This was a different account, so it does not count for the challenge account. Took a little break of this zone right here, but immediately retraced back, so it's whatever. If it happens again, I might take it because we are in a downtrend. Gold. Yesterday I made $160 with gold. Today I lost 60, so a little unfortunate. So the thing with NASDAQ, sometimes when it breaks through these zones, it's way too fast for me to be able to take it. So even though I got an entry, let's see, right here, I think it was, where was our entry? Yeah, right here. I would have had to have like 100-point stop to be under that, and we're only trying to risk 250. So that's our 5th trade, and it's a break even. It's not bad, not bad. We're lowering our risk here. But shoot, if we would have got in the original zone, been damned close to our complete profit target for the week. Like if I get a 1 to 5, I'm done for the week. I probably won't even take any more trades, even if I have 10. But since NASDAQ's pushing, we need to sit here and look for another potential breakout area. So let's see what we can find here, chat. Broke through this zone right here. I'm gonna have to use a box for this one. So our next little good zone would be kind of like right in here. Some good support and resistance. Gold's just playing around too, man. Actually, we got a nice little support and resistance right here on the 5-minute. Rejected here, bounced off here. Put up a little higher. There we go. Oh, gold dumped out of the zone, bro. Wonder if it'll enter us where we're supposed to enter. There we go. Gotta watch US 30 again. So gold, we are in profits now. And our stop's right above that candle. Already made back almost what we've lost with gold. We're up $58. NASDAQ's trying to push out of the zone again, but we do have a lot of candles here. I think I'm just gonna say fuck it and try to buy NAS. See what happens. There we go. We're up a 1 to 1. So you know what that means, stops to break even again. Be our last trade for the day. Oh damn, it stopped us right out, bro. God damn. Alright, we're done for the day on that. Oh, that was a nice little trade too. Trying to see if we could hit a nice little 1 to 3 on gold. So I'll show you guys our gold trade here. On the regular account I have, we're in this zone. Watch this 1 minute candle on gold. Maybe we shouldn't have went break even on NASDAQ. Maybe it's a good thing we did. Might just be a L day. If we can get this 1 minute candle to continue dump on gold, it'd be nice. Yeah, I probably shouldn't have tried buys today on NASDAQ or US 30, but it's whatever. US 30's coming to a clean breakout to the upside. All right, well, overall on the account today, another break-even day. I would say we lost only $57, which is good because now we have 4 trades left. We've only lost 323 minus 1,000 would be how much? Let's see. Break out my calendar on my calculator. 1,000 minus 323. So we've taken 6 trades so far, and we've only lost $623, $27, something like that. Which isn't bad. Not bad at all. US 30 is honestly super clean. I wish I would have just been a little bit more patient. But hey, what can we do? Because you can see we have this double bottom. Got sell side liquidity. Came back up. If we broke out, we'd have a nice wider stop with US 30. Looks something like this. Just giving you guys examples of how the and we got stopped out on gold, bro. Ridiculous. Did get a nice little 1 to 1.84 on gold, but should have put stops to break even. We'll get back though. NASDAQ eventually pushed back out. We should have waited for a retest. It's kind of rejecting again. But yeah, like I said, only down $673 on the account with 6 trades. Not bad. Because 6 trades we'd be usually, if it was all full losses, we'd be down like 1,500. So we got 4 trades left. If we even get 1 profitable trade, we'll start to be in profit. So if we get two W's, like if we can get a W tomorrow and a W on Friday, we'd be up about $750. So that would make it 1/4 done with the account in 1 week. So you got to think of it as like probabilities wise instead of profit wise. Because if you're always focused on your profits, you're just going to chase trades. So yeah, that's all we got for today. Be back on tomorrow. Tomorrow I believe we got news at 7. So yeah, we probably probably will be on at 6:30, but we probably won't take a trade till after 7 because I want to let news settle. But we'll see. If it starts pushing in a way we want, we might just take one trade and save our second trade till after news. But we'll see. I'll be back on tomorrow, guys. Peace.